my channel. So today's video is a snack video. I'm going to be showing you guys my 3 favorite ways I like to make my rice cakes, like what toppings I like to add. So if you are interested, just make sure you keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have all my ingredients laid out right here. I have these rice cakes that I showed you guys last time in the Aldi haul. So if you guys haven't watched that video, I'll go ahead and post a link down below so you guys can check that out. But I have these rice cakes that I got from there. They're the lightly salted rice cakes. And they do have 40 calories per rice cake. And then we are gonna do 3, so I have all the ingredients laid out. We are gonna make an egg avocado one. We're gonna make a strawberry one, and then we're gonna make a peanut butter banana one. So you wanna go ahead and grab your rice cakes. Make sure you are washing your fruit. So I do have this light cream cheese. Again, I'm just using light because I am trying to make these as healthy as possible as I can. But there's nothing wrong with just using regular cream cheese or even strawberry or like blueberry cream cheese. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my rice cake. I'm gonna put some cream cheese on it. So I like to eat these if I'm kind of like just wanting a snack before the gym, or like after the gym if I just need a snack. I'm not very hungry, but I'm still kind of craving something. And like I said, I already went ahead and washed my strawberries. I'm just gonna cut some. I only have 3 strawberries, but if you want to go ahead and add more, go ahead and add more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and layer these on there. And then I do have these blackberries, so if you want to go ahead and add some. I don't always add these, honestly. I just had them today, so I'll go ahead and add them. And then you have your first rice cake right here. Okay, so the second one we're gonna do is a peanut butter one. So this is the one I like to make if I'm craving something sweet. So like candy or something like that. I usually like to make this one. So we're gonna go ahead and grab peanut butter. I'm gonna go ahead and spread it. So if I'm being honest, I'm not using the peanut butter that I normally use. The one I normally use is, I would say it's a little bit healthier. This one's probably not as healthy. So when I do grab a peanut butter, I like to look at the ingredients, and I like to make sure that the only ingredients are peanuts and oil, just because I don't like all the additional ingredients. I don't feel like there's a need for that. I try to stay away from those. The only thing about, I would say like peanut butters that only have the peanuts and oils is the oil tends to go towards the bottom or towards the top. I don't remember which one it is. But you have to stir it really well, because if you don't, whenever you grab a spoon, it's literally just the oil. So you do have to make sure you stir it really well, which I hate doing that. But honestly, if it's going to be healthier for my body, I don't mind doing that as much. So we're going to go ahead and grab a banana. This is a really ripe banana, as you can see. I usually like really green bananas. But since I do want this to be somewhat sweet, so I'm going to go ahead and use this ripe one. You can use all of it if you want, but I'm just going to use about half. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put the pieces on top. And I am using this to satisfy my sweet tooth. So whenever I make this, like I said, it's usually because I'm wanting some candy or something. I do like to top it off with some walnuts. I do have almonds, walnuts, whatever you want to add. I usually just add walnuts. So I add a little bit, and again, like I said, I want something sweet, so I'm just gonna grab these mini chocolate chips, and I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle them on top. And here's your second rice cake. Guys, we are on to our last rice cake, and honestly, this is my favorite one. So this is like one I like to do if I'm a little bit hungrier, but I'm not ready to have a full-on meal, or just kind of a snack that's gonna keep me fuller. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the avocado and just kind of spread it. I'm a big fan of avocado. Like, I love it with everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spread it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hard-boiled egg and just cut it into little pieces. I'll go ahead and just top it off like this. I love adding sun-dried tomatoes onto this because, like I said, I am making this if I'm a little bit hungrier. It just adds so much flavor to it, and it just makes it so yummy in my opinion. So these are just little pieces, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add them on there. And then I will go ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper. This is my favorite one. And this is the way I like to make my rice cakes. It just adds a little bit more flavor instead of a boring rice cake. Like I said, my favorite one is the avocado, and then the banana one is if I'm craving something really sweet. And then the strawberry one is just a little quick snack, doesn't take very long to make. Like I said, I do like to make these before or after the gym. I also enjoy making these in the morning for breakfast before I go to work, even though sometimes I don't really have much time. But these are great healthy snacks if you are trying to eat healthier, or if you just want something that's good. These are healthy and they are still yummy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, I do upload videos on Sundays at 6 p.m. Hopefully, I don't believe this video is going up at 6 p.m. But anyways, I do upload videos on Sundays at 6 p.m. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what are some of your favorite healthy snacks that you like to make, or what are some of your favorite ways you guys like to make rice cakes, regardless if they're healthy or not. And I will see you guys next week.